Tucked away in the heart of Jharkhand, India, lies the unassuming town of GUMIA, a place that holds more than meets the eye. It's a place you won't find on many tourist maps, often overshadowed by more popular destinations, and that's part of its charm. The untouched beauty and serene environment make it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. GUMIA exists in the shadow of its bustling neighbor, Bokaro Steel City, a giant of industry known for its steel production. But don't let that fool you. GUMIA has its own unique story to tell. GUMIA is a world unto itself, a blend of rural tranquility and the pulse of progress, where tradition meets modernity. GUMIA is a place of contrast, where the rhythms of village life coexist with the hum of industry, creating a unique harmony. It's a town where you can find farmers tending their fields and steelworkers heading home after a long shift, both contributing to the town's character. This unique blend of old and new, rural and industrial, gives GUMIA a character all its own, making it a fascinating place to explore. What brings a traveler to a place like GUMIA? It's the allure of the undiscovered, the chance to experience a side of India often overlooked by mainstream tourism. It's the allure of the undiscovered, the chance to experience a side of India often overlooked. To understand GUMIA, you need to taste the chai brewed on street corners, savoring the flavors that tell a story of their own. Listen to the stories shared in local tea stalls, where every conversation is a window into the soul of the town, and witness the warmth of its people, whose smiles and hospitality make you feel at home. So come with me as we delve into the heart of GUMIA, exploring its hidden corners and uncovering the stories that make this small town a true gem of Jharkhand. Together we'll discover why GUMIA is a place worth knowing. You can't talk about GUMIA without mentioning Bokaro Steel City. It looms large, both literally and figuratively. This industrial behemoth, home to one of India's largest steel plants, casts a long shadow over GUMIA. But it's not a shadow of darkness, it's a shadow of opportunity. The Bokaro steel plant is a lifeline for GUMIA. It provides jobs, draws in trade, and fuels the local economy. Many of GUMIA's residents find employment in the steel plant, commuting daily to keep the wheels of industry turning. The ripple effect of the plant's presence is undeniable, but the influence goes beyond economics. Bokaro's proximity has exposed GUMIA to a more cosmopolitan way of life. The influx of people from different parts of India has created a vibrant cultural mix, adding spice to GUMIA's social fabric. However, GUMIA retains its own identity. It hasn't been swallowed whole by its industrial neighbor. It holds on to its rural roots, its traditions, and its slower pace of life. And that's what makes GUMIA so fascinating, the constant interplay between the pull of the city and the tranquility of the countryside. Life in GUMIA unfolds at a different pace, a pace that allows one to truly savor each moment. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the hustle and bustle of modern life are replaced by a serene calm. Here, the chaos of city life feels a world away, replaced by the gentle rhythms of nature and community. The day begins early, with the sounds of roosters crowing and temple bells ringing, marking the start of a new day. As the sun rises, the streets come alive with activity, a symphony of sights and sounds. Farmers head out to their fields, shopkeepers open their stores, and children make their way to school, each person playing their part in the village's daily routine. The air fills with the aroma of freshly brewed chai and the chatter of people going about their day, creating a vibrant atmosphere. The heart of GUMIA is its bustling market, a place where the community comes together. Here you'll find everything from fresh produce and spices to colorful fabrics and household goods, a true feast for the senses. The market is a sensory overload, a riot of colors, sounds and smells, each stall offering something unique. It's the perfect place to soak up the local atmosphere and get a taste of authentic GUMIA, where every interaction tells a story. As the day progresses, the pace slows down, allowing for moments of rest and reflection. People gather in tea stalls, sipping on steaming cups of chai and discussing the day's events, strengthening community bonds. Children play in the streets, their laughter echoing through the air, a reminder of the simple joys of life. And as the sun begins its descent, a sense of peace settles over the town, wrapping GUMIA in a tranquil embrace. While Bokaro might be known for its steel, GUMIA is surrounded by a different kind of beauty, the unspoiled beauty of nature. Jharkhand is a state blessed with lush greenery, and GUMIA is no exception. Step outside the town, and you'll find yourself surrounded by rolling hills, dense forests, and sparkling rivers. The air is fresh and clean, a welcome change from the pollution of the city. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. For those seeking adventure, there are plenty of opportunities for trekking and hiking in the nearby hills. Explore hidden waterfalls, discover ancient temples nestled amongst the trees, and immerse yourself in the serenity of the forest. And as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, you'll understand why GUMIA is considered a hidden gem. It's a place where you can witness the raw beauty of nature, untouched and unspoiled. Section 5. Connectivity and access reaching GUMIA. GUMIA might feel like a world away, but it's surprisingly well connected, making it an accessible destination for travelers. The town is located just a short distance from Bokaro Steel City, making it easily accessible by road. The well-maintained highways ensure a smooth journey. Regular bus services run between the two towns, making it convenient for commuters and visitors alike. These buses are frequent and reliable, ensuring you won't have to wait long. For those traveling from further afield, the nearest airport is Birsa Munda Airport in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. This airport connects GUMIA to major cities across India. From Ranchi, you can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach GUMIA. Taxis offer a more personalized travel experience, while buses are a cost-effective option. The journey is scenic, taking you through the heart of Jharkhand's countryside. The lush green landscapes and serene environment make the trip enjoyable. GUMIA also has its own railway station, connecting it to major cities in Jharkhand and beyond. The railway network is extensive and efficient. Trains are a popular mode of transport in India, and they offer a unique way to experience the country. The scenic views from the train windows are a treat for travelers. The railway station in GUMIA is a hive of activity, with people from all walks of life coming and going. It's a vibrant place that reflects the local culture. Whether you prefer the convenience of road travel, the adventure of a train journey, or the speed of flying, getting to GUMIA is relatively easy. Each mode of transport offers its own unique experience. And once you arrive, you'll be rewarded with the charm and tranquility of this hidden gem. GUMIA's serene environment and friendly locals make it a perfect getaway. Section 6. The people of GUMIA, a tapestry of cultures. The true heart of any place lies in its people, and GUMIA is no exception. The town is home to a diverse population, a melting pot of cultures and traditions. People from different parts of Jharkhand and beyond have made GUMIA their home, bringing with them their own customs and beliefs. This blend of cultures is what makes GUMIA so unique. It's a place where you can hear different languages spoken, taste dishes from different regions, and witness a kaleidoscope of traditions. The people of GUMIA are known for their warmth and hospitality. Despite their diverse backgrounds, the people of GUMIA share a strong sense of community. They come together to celebrate festivals, support each other in times of need, and preserve their shared heritage. Whether you're a local or a visitor, you're sure to feel welcomed in GUMIA. It's the people of GUMIA who breathe life into this town, making it more than just a place on a map. They are the storytellers, the keepers of traditions, and the heart and soul of this hidden gem. Section 7. Looking ahead, GUMIA's potential and growth. GUMIA stands at a crossroads. The winds of change are blowing, carrying with them both opportunities and challenges. As India continues its march towards progress, GUMIA too is evolving. The town's proximity to Bokaro Steel City has undoubtedly shaped its destiny. The industrial growth in Bokaro has created a ripple effect, bringing with it the promise of economic development to GUMIA. New businesses are springing up, infrastructure is improving, and there's a palpable sense of optimism in the air. But with progress comes the challenge of preserving GUMIA's unique identity. As the town grows, it's important to ensure that its rural charm, its traditions, and its connection to nature are not lost. The key lies in finding a balance between development and preservation. GUMIA has the potential to become a model for sustainable development, a place where progress goes hand in hand with preserving heritage and protecting the environment. The future of GUMIA is bright, but it's up to its people to shape its destiny. Section 8. Conclusion. GUMIA, a town of contrasts and charm. GUMIA is a town that defies easy categorization. It's a place of contrasts where the tranquility of rural life coexists with the pulse of industrial progress. It's a town where you can experience the warmth of small-town India while being just a stone's throw away from the hustle and bustle of a major industrial centre. GUMIA is a reminder that there's more to India than just its bustling cities and tourist hotspots. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of small-town India, where life unfolds at a different pace and traditions are passed down through generations. As you leave GUMIA, you'll carry with you the memories of its scenic beauty, the warmth of its people, and the unique charm that sets it apart. GUMIA might be a small town, but it leaves a lasting impression. It's a place that stays with you long after you've said goodbye.